We also have a registered electrical engineer and a CNE engineer, Mr. Kevin Levin, production manager of GigaTech Inc., who will be sharing on GTech solutions and their company's commitment to carbon footprint reduction. Let me share the audio and controls to you, Mr. Levin.
Okay, good morning, everyone, and thank you for this opportunity to present for Philippine Green Building Council. So first, let me introduce our company. So our parent company is GigaTech Incorporated. It's a complete engineering solution, and part of it is GTech Solutions Incorporated, where I'm currently the production manager, and JLO and Dawson Incorporated. It's the civil part of our company. Okay, so with GigaTech, there's a single point of contact between each of the companies. So if it is some projects is required, immediately we can make a decision for which in turn reduce the lead time and faster delivery. So let me introduce our company. We support the design, supply, installation, which is mainly for residential projects, commercial, and there's some delay on the presentation. So GigaTech mainly is engaged in mechanical, electrical, and plumbing works and firefighting. So our major clients is Ayala Group of Companies, Arthaland, which is part of the part of the Green Building Council also, and Mega World, and also Mega Sardines and Epson Philippines. So these are some of the industrial projects that partly we have completed or we were a part of. So we have partnered also with some of the leading electrical manufacturing companies such as ABB and Schneider Electric, and we are an authorized partner to distribute also most of their products portfolio, including transformers and low voltage switchgear. So on the left side is from ABB, and the right side, these are the panels that is constructed and manufactured by GTech Solutions. We have partnered also with Translight and Megaduct for the bus duct requirement of our clients. These are some of the panel boards that we manufacture here, starting from NEMO 1 up to NEMO 3R and NEMO 4X. We also manufacture cable trays and cable ladders, either powder coated or galvanized steel. So the main purpose of this presentation also is the reduction that is made by our company and to offset the emission which is required also for us to reduce the carbon footprint of the company. So the assessment made are below. So first, we check the monthly electrical bill. So this is the first major step that we made to ensure that we are on the right path. Then to offset the emission, we started to do the tree planting in the vicinity of the company, and also same as the other companies, we encourage the vegetation, the planting of vegetables and other fruit-bearing trees inside the company, which helped us also during the COVID times when most of our people was on lockdown, and they were some of the people was staying here in the factory as well. So this is one of the major basis. So this is the recent electric bill that we have. So if you will notice, we are using 10,000 kilowatt hour of electricity, which produces 7.2 tons of carbon dioxide. And to offset this emission, we have to plant 326 trees. So if you will notice, from the May and June consumption, it is almost identical. But in reality, in terms of sales and in terms of man-hour used, May compared to June, June has a higher, we use or utilize more man-hour to produce more products. So there's a slight difference only in terms of consumption. So how were we able to achieve this? So this is our main facility. This is in 2018. And as you can see, we already started to plant trees, and also during this is the current location of the plant. You can see that we have kept all of the trees that we have, and also we've introduced along the vicinity of the plant bamboos, so which by study it's more helpful in carbon sequestration and climate change mitigation because of the fast growth of bamboos, and also as per the study, it is 35% more. It produces 35% oxygen compared to a full-grown tree. So this is the production area. So as you can see, we have already transformed our factory into the old metal halide using factory into an light emitting diode lights, and also most of the equipment that we have is CNC controlled machines. So it's more efficient and it reduces the rework. We introduced also a pneumatic line which use compressed air instead of the old practice that we're using electrical tools. So basically, this is one of the reasons why we were able to reduce and fast track our manufacturing process. You can see also our shadow boards. These are mainly reused or recycled products, wherein we were able to utilize instead of being scrapped. We also avoided using liquid paint, and all of our product is powder coated. And with this, we have partnered also with suppliers whom are known to have good certification, especially in environmental certification. So the choice of choosing an oven which uses gas is more efficient instead of using an electrical one, because of the batch type of production. We have a water treatment facility which before we use on our vegetation, and also we discharge. Mainly our priority is to reuse the water in our metal treatment facility. So we have reduced our water waste because of this. We have moved from the normal paper reporting and production planning to a more eco-friendly electronic type of communication. So we are also developing what we call now as a maps system, wherein all of the planning, all of the drawings, and all of the things that we have to do is now mainly distributed electronically. So we have reduced the paper use of our company. So this sums up the presentation, and also as you can see on the last slide, the last part of the steps of carbon reduction, we are planning to use the solar energy. So we are planning within 1 to 2 years to install solar power also in the company. So as a solar advocate also, I'm using it personally at my home. So hopefully within the next time that we will be presenting, it will be shown also as a part of our commitment to reduce the carbon footprint of the company. So thank you very much.